I recently put some walnuts out on a ledge and set up a camera to see if anything would pay a visit. I was stunned by the amount of bird life that flew over and had a go at the walnuts. Keep on watching to see many more incredible bird species up close as they scavenge for food. Northern cardinals display sexual dimorphism, meaning the male and females differ in their physical appearance. Male cardinals have a bright red body and a black face mask, whereas females have a brown body with red tones on their wings and crest. This duller appearance provides females with camouflage, which makes them less visible to predators when nesting. The downy woodpecker is North America's smallest woodpecker and thrives in deciduous forests. As you can see, it is also well adapted for living within suburban environments. This female cardinal kept on sneaking back for some more walnuts. House sparrows were introduced to North America in 1851 to control caterpillar populations in Brooklyn. However, they quickly took over and their population peaked at around 500 million individuals. Despite this, house sparrow populations have been rapidly declining, and it's now estimated that there are between 80 to 100 million house sparrows remaining. You'll notice that this downy woodpecker and all other woodpeckers can sit on branches vertically, which is due to their zygodactyl feet. This means that they have 2 toes pointing forwards and 2 toes pointing backwards, allowing them to easily grasp onto trees and peck at trunks. I was very pleased to see this blue jay pay a visit. Blue jays are loud communicators, but they also convey messages using body language. When a blue jay feels safe, it usually has its crest flattened against its head. When it's feeling uncertain, its crest will stand upright, making itself look larger and indicating that it's alert. Dark-eyed juncos are one of the most abundant birds in North America. breeding up north during spring and summer and migrating south when winter rolls around. Around 75% of their diet is made from seeds, so it's interesting to see them pecking at some walnuts. See if you can spot the squirrel climbing up an oak tree in the background. These two juncos were having a bit of competition over the walnuts that I had left out. It was nice for this red-bellied woodpecker to make a little cameo. This was a really cool video to film and make, so I hope you enjoyed watching these North American birds up close.